help you, officers?
What is happening? What is going on?
David Miller, you are under arrest for wire fraud and identity theft.
Megan, I did not do this. I promise you, I did not do this.
Wire fraud, identity theft. David would never. Someone did this to him. Someone used his name. Wire fraud starts somewhere. Someone sent emails pretending to be David. But how? From where?
3 weeks earlier, someone had created a fake email address, david.miller@acme-corp.net.
It asked for an urgent wire transfer of $47,000. Someone sent it.
The criminal spent days studying David online. Everything needed to become David Miller.
I found it. I know exactly what happened to David. It is called business email compromise. He stole his identity online and used it to steal money.
This email address here, that is not David's company domain at all. Someone created it to look like his company.
We found the proof. You are coming home.
I knew you would. Figure it out. I knew it.
Here is exactly how it works. Step 1. The criminal studies their target online. They create a fake email address that looks almost identical to the real one.
Always verify wire transfers based on email alone. Never approve wire transfers based on email alone. Always call to confirm. This is HackStories. Real stories, real lessons.